So, hello guys, my name is Montas and this is my new channel, American Muscle in Europe. This video is my first video vlog and I'm just gonna introduce myself, I'm just gonna introduce my channel. So let's begin. First of all, I am from Europe, from Lithuania, so it's very far away from the motherland of United States where this American Muscle icon is born. So this channel main star is gonna be my 2015 Challenger SRT Hellcat. But not only that car, there's gonna be lots of other cars. We're gonna show like some shows. We're going to drag racing. We will battle German muscle cars versus American muscle and such stuff like that, you know? So first of all, I'm gonna go to the very beginning. Now, at this moment, the car is in Belgium, but I bought it from United States auction, okay? It is after an accident, so I will have to rebuild it. So first of all, when the car is gonna be here in my place, I will show the journey of the car rebuild, you know? Of all the reconstruction, all the repairs, all the costs. I'm gonna show you everything, you know? So if you're interested to see this stuff, you can subscribe this channel, press the notification button, and then we can go to the journey together, okay? So after the rebuild, I think I'm gonna make, as usual, you know, guys doing, YouTubers do, they like do some test drives, do some drag racing, go to car shows, maybe go to on a track, you know, race a little bit, maybe something illegal or legal, I don't know, we will see. If you're interested to see such stuff as that, you know, because that kind of car here in Europe is very rare, you know. Here in our city, Klaipėda, where we have about 200,000 people are living here, so there's like, I don't know, like maybe 5 Challengers. I know actually like 3, you know. So there's one more Hellcat and mine, and there's a 5.7. So it doesn't matter, you know, if it's a 3.6 or a Pentastar or a 5.7 Hemi or 6.4 Scatback or a Hellcat. There's not lots of them, you know. There's only few. So people stare at them very much, you know. If you have a louder exhaust, people are like crazy, like, oh my god, what is that? You know, they don't know what kind of car it is. So we will film all the reactions from outside. Maybe we will film some reactions from inside, how people react, how they feel that power and such stuff like that. So I think that's all for that moment, because there's not lots of stuff to tell anymore, because I don't think you're gonna be interesting just to listen. You want to see stuff. So this is my garage where I'm sitting here. There's a print wall where I did my YouTube logo, and that's the beginning. That's the very beginning. I don't know how it's gonna end, but first of all, this is that stuff that I'm making now. It's just for fun, and I think, guys, you're gonna have fun too to watch that and see all the Hellcat journey, you know, the rebuild journey, all the racing journeys and stuff like that. So, guys, see ya in another video. Bye.